Hazrat Ali said about greed as Ashrahu la yarda. The greedy is never satisfied. Al-hirsu la yazidu fi rizqi walakin yazilul qadr. Greed can't increase sustenance, but it reduces human dignity. La yajtamiu tam'a wal wara. Greed and abstinence can't coexist. Al-Mominu hirsuhu fi fikhin. The greed of the believer is to attain fiqh, that is religion. فاذكر الموت ووحدتك في قبرك وتقطع أصالك وأكل الدود لحمك يردك عن كثير من الحرص على الدنيا. Remembrance of death, your loneliness in the grave, separation of body organs, and becoming food for insects. The realization of this will keep you away from greed. Mustarahazul hirs, the greedy never finds peace. Iyaka wa tam'a finnasi fa innahu fakrun hazir. Avoid coveting people's wealth because it causes poverty. Zalla man tama'a. Whoever covets has suffered disgrace. Masalul harisi ala dunya kamasali dudatil qis. The example of the greedy of the world is like a silkworm. Kullama is dadat minal kazi ala nafsiha kana abadalaha minal khuruj. As the silk he wraps around himself, so far away is he from getting out of it. Imam Zainul Abidin prayed as Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min hijanil hirs. Ya Allah, I seek refuge in you from the overflow of greed. Hakim Luqman bequeathed his son as in aratta an tajma'a izza dunya faqta tama'aka mimma fi aydin nas. My dear son, if you want to gather the honor of the world, eliminate greed from what is in the hands of the people.